You were like, screw it, I'm going for it. It's yeah, definitely different days to when it was raining.
Yeah.
Like just the colour of the water even bouncing back. It was murky for days. Should we fang it? Yeah, so I'm used to it because that's all I've worn. When it's been winter though and I go back to them, it still feels weird on your feet. Hope there's no foot fetish people out there that just fell in love.
Nah, I don't. Join you. Oh, my bad, my fault. I'm gonna start asking things. I'm not just playing. Hey! How are you guys?
How you doing? Oh, good, thanks, man.
Take it to go, maybe you like it.
Like I said, I love the fact that all the YouTubers that are really well known here that walk these streets every day still get popped the same thing. It's just how it is. Yep. Once again, red light. Yeah, he's on a scooter, he doesn't have to care about anyone.
I thought it was moving anyway, but...
Yeah, I don't know, we just go.
Let's just go.
That was your fault.
There's no cars anywhere.
Either way, your fault.
Yeah.
Alahualani with the big fish tank. You don't really hear a lot about it.
No.
Like when we were staying there the first time, everyone raved and it was okay. Like I wouldn't rate it in my top, but maybe...
The foyer and the lobby were like outstanding.
Beautiful. Yeah.
The rooms were a bit basic.
The drinks were
Horrible.
shit to put it
And
from.
expensive.
Yeah, it wasn't, I don't know, and the water damaged carpet.
Yeah.
It's not water damaged, but it looks water damaged. It's just a horrible, what made them choose it? I don't know. I don't get it and I'll never get it. But it's, what made it nice carpet? Put it that way. I reckon at some point I'll change back to the other card too, because maybe I had one with like a couple of hours left, but we swapped it out.
Yeah.
because this one's already down to 30, so just a short be sure, you know what I mean? Jeez.
You go far out.
That's where the water's getting bluer. Don't know where the camera will pick it up, but it's freaking unreal at the minute. It's crazy. And definitely getting a tan today. Gonna earn that shave ice. Puppy.
Little Frenchie.
Yeah, little kitty. There he goes. It's in like a little baby harness.
Yeah.
That's right. That's what I need for the cats.
Cute.
I couldn't imagine you with Vader having one.
Yep.
I'm sure he'd be super impressed if that's
Yeah.
if that's what you had. Oop. Twin Fin's meant to be a good hotel too. Is it the Twin Fin that's got like all the pools? Or is it the Hilton? Might be a Twin Fin. Can't remember. I think they got an adult, like an adults only pool and stuff. It's one of them. I lose track because there's so many hotels, like
Yeah.
other hotels. But I know, I think there's a good restaurant up there too. So anyone that knows North Shore, Turtle Bay, Jamie O'Brien has also opened up in town in Waikiki. The hoodies we got, I don't think you'd be able to get anymore, because that was when he shut everything down and then opened up fresh.
Yeah.
ABC store and Starbucks across the road. Crossing here. I reckon end of this, I reckon I'll swap it out, I reckon. Still saying 30 minutes, but better be safe. Oh, that breeze on my back is great.
Yeah.
Saturated. Sounds wrong saying it like that, doesn't it? It's just very sweaty.
Yeah.
Good to go. Knew that was coming. Okay. Huge popular bodyboarding spot. Boogie boards. A lot of surfers come out here too, but popular for swimming. Like, it's just a crazy beach. And then obviously here's a good swimming spot because it's flat. Blocked off by the walls. Our hotel's like all the way down here. Perfect as always. But I think we'll leave this video. Oh, that's a big wave come over. We'll leave this video here. And I wasn't expecting to get wet, but we did. So yeah, leave this here. Like, sub, all the above. We've got heaps more to come. And very big mixture, but the more we can share and the bigger it gets, then the more we can do. So we'll keep trying to get better and better quality, talk more crap, and yeah, go from there. So until the next video.